So now we move on to the second part of the story. What happens when he finds himself lost in the village fair? In search of his parents, he entered into a shrine which was nearby, and there it was congested with men and women. Women and men, they were just congested, not even a single space to keep your foot over there. He ran between people's legs, but no use. At the entrance of the temple, he could find that the crowd was uncontrolled. So he was almost fallen down because it was so crowded, almost in between the stampede, and he just shrieked at the highest pitch, I want to get rescued, I want help, I want to get my father and mother back. He just shouted with all possible energy he could. And at that moment, at that shriek, one man, a kind hearted man, came forward to rescue him. He just asked, where do you come from and who are your parents and all? And that he replied that I want my mother and my father. He said like that. So at the temple, a stranger came to console the child who was crying for a long time. Yes, now the child is lost. He uh, found himself lost. He could not find his parents, so he was totally disturbed. So the strange man tried to console him, tried to pacify him. So he, just to make him comfortable, he first of all he took him to the roundabouts. You remember that he was so interested to get on a swing, but at that moment when he lost his parents, the interest has gone somewhere else. He was just left with shrill sobs. He was crying. Then the stranger took him to this snake charmer. Although he knew that the parents have forbidden him to listen to that coarse music. You remember that point? But now he is not interested at all. He just shut his ears because he is not interested at all. At the same time, he went to the man who was selling balloons. The bright colors, the silken bright colors which attracted him once was now distracted him, because now he was alone. He had lost that freedom. He has lost that security that his parents used to provide him. Later on, the stranger took the boy to the flower seller, the Gulmohar garland. He asked the flower seller to get one garland, but that too didn't work at all. He just turned his nose. He is not interested at all. All those things that were interesting to him once now are not at all the point of interest. Even the sweet seller, you remember the barfi that he eagerly wanted, that too was not able to make him stop crying. So child with no interest, he was left with no interest on his surroundings. What he now needed was his mother and his father. So what thing you have to remember is, when the child was again and again called by the parents, he had a feeling that my fathers are in and around and definitely he is secure. But at the moment when he recognized that his father and mother are no more along with him, he was insecure. Now all the things around which were very bright and beautiful for his attraction, now they are very dull. They could not console him. They could not comfort him. And what is left now? He has just one desire, that he wants to reunite with his parents. So this is the story, The Lost Child. It's all about the feelings of a child. Whenever you are with your parents, you are very secure. And that is the beautiful world that you enjoy really. Once you feel that you're alone, at that moment, all your happiness goes like this, like just like the child who was very fascinated, was very interested, gaily and happy to see whatever things are in front of him. But at the moment when he realized that he is no longer along with his parents, all his interest has gone. So a child is happy only when he is accompanied with his parents. So parents are very, very, very important. So whenever you are trying to oppose your parents, think that You are also the same little boy, you are also the same little girl who needed such security every time. So, respect your parents. So, in this chapter, several new words you have learned. Some of them are just like first one, lingering. You remember the context of this word? Yes, when they were moving to the village fair, on their way they saw several toys. You remember? Okay, at that time the boy was not ready to leave the place. So, staying long, not ready to leave. Then, tyrant. Remember the description of the father? Red-eyed tyrant. Cruel. Actually, it's cruel, but here in this context, strict. Teeming. The worms and the insects were teeming. That means they were coming out of the holes just to enjoy the brightness of the sun. Trampled. The child who was caught in the stampede, he was trampled in the leg between the legs of the people. So, trample means crush, almost crush or damage. Then persuasively, the stranger tried to persuade the little boy by offering several things that he really wanted, but he was not able to do so, trying to make others believe. Then reiterated, repeating something. What was repeating? Throughout the end of the story, we can find what was he repeating? He was repeatedly crying. So that is reiterated. Disconsolate, unable to comfort someone. So exactly the stranger was unable to comfort the little boy. So this is about the story. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.